right, y'all, it is, let me see what time it is. It's 8:05 and I am about to go to Puerto Rico.
To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl is out. I'm a mindless you the dog, I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy and I know that get pose like the Baba Frayo. Don't cry, yo. I try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now some more. To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl is out. I'm a mindless you the dog, I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy and I know that get pose like the Baba Frayo. Don't cry, yo. I try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing
Alright, guys,
like
I am finally out the room. Y'all, they scammed us with the room. I'm not showing y'all with that room, no. They scammed us. But me and Kaylee, we're on our way to T-Mobile. I can never say the word T-Mobile distribute, something like that, y'all. And it's gonna be so fun.
I'm happy she vlogged.
Yes, I haven't vlogged in so long.
Road trip with us.
We're going to do the scooters. Yes. We're gonna walk, y'all. We're gonna be free and enjoy life. She got a new Stanley yesterday. I didn't show y'all actually when I was showing y'all the haul. She got a new Stanley. We're gonna do the jet cars Thursday, and we're gonna do go-kart racing, and I can't wait because I know it's gonna be so fun.
I can't wait to swerve in that corner, y'all.
She gonna swerve in that corner. Whoa, whoa. It's so pretty out here, y'all. I remember certain areas out here too for when I came.
We're matching.
I gotta call my friend Crystal and Angel, y'all. I always call them when I go somewhere so they can see, like, y'all, look, we outside. Yeah, we kind of matching, y'all, with the shoe. Let me show y'all.
So
we're matching.
On the jet cars, we gonna actually be matching with shoes.
Hold on, let them hear you. Okay, so tell them.
So when we do the jet cars, we actually gonna be matching clothes
Yep.
and shoes.
Yep.
And yeah.
When we count to 3, we're gonna say, we're outside. 1, 2, 3. We're outside. Where we at? Puerto Rico. Ah!
I was gonna say Dominican Republic.
She was finna say the DR, y'all. Her passport didn't come.
No, because
we was gonna be in the port. We was gonna be where?
No, because when you said we outside, I was thinking about everything. I remember Dominican.
Y'all, we was gonna be in
Dominican Republic.
Yes, we was gonna be in Punta Cana. Puerto Rico is cool. It's nice. Look, y'all.
The water over there, the water over there.
Talk to him. What you gonna say to
The
him?
water over there is kind of like the Bahamas.
It's kind of like the Bahamas. Can y'all believe? I am a mom of a 10-year-old who's almost taller than me? Like, can y'all believe this? I can't believe it. I really can't believe it myself, but I am. I did my nails myself. I am so proud of myself with this because they look professional. Yeah, I let her wear lip liner because we're on vacation. Like, why not? Why not let your daughter do a little something? But I'm not gonna ramble. We're gonna hit you guys once we get to T-Mobile distribution. This Brodo, some y'all, I don't know. But we'll hit y'all once we get there. I think Kayla wanna call Crystal, so go. Ooh, 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 ooh. All right, let's go. Huh? So what? Oh, look at the bull. Burgers, fries, and Kayla got mozzarella sticks. And as y'all can see, this is why this is my favorite place, because it's so cute, but it looks better when it's dark. We're about to go get something sweet, because I want something sweet real bad. Hey loves, I'm back. I know I've been doing a bad job on like recording and showing y'all what I'm doing and where I'm at, but we left Walmart. We went to Drunken Cookies. As y'all can see, I didn't do like a talking, I just did like a voice, I mean not a voiceover, but I did just a video so y'all can see. I'm holding the light because it's dark outside and I want y'all to see the pool area. Kaylee's in a pool right now because she wanted to get in the pool tonight. So let me show y'all. There's Kaylee. Kaylee said hey. She's on the phone with her friend Melody. And this is the pool area. This is a swim up bar. I might get in with her. I don't have my bathing suit on right now. I feel like when I went shopping, I didn't get bathing suits to go swimming in. I got them to take pictures in, which like, girl, what are you doing? But this is what I have on, and I may just put my feet in the water. So if I do, I'll show y'all me putting my feet in the water. Oh, Kaylee playing with her friend. I think I'm gonna chill and watch you swim, and I am going to read my book. I want to show y'all this top that I feel like would be tea, like it would eat down. This top would eat down. Yes, Yes, here you go, y'all.
I'll be calling you later.
This top right here, y'all. That will most definitely eat down. It will eat the girls up. About to chill, enjoy my good old Coke, and read my book. I know y'all remember my book from earlier. Yeah, and it's gonna be like me just living life. So watch me live life to the fullest.
I pulled up in that 18th letter repeat buggy. Had to switch the hue cause I'm LA boy smuggy, but more likely to get hurt by somebody who love me. My lady, she don't trust me. Know I'm a sick puppy. Know that women throw themselves at me and men want me. Anything could happen for attention and rent money. I got so much on my plate, that's why I sit funny. So many handouts, so much backbending, so much entitlement. My family be acting in so many white diamonds. Yeah, I got jungle fever, but they didn't raise me, so shout out black women. So much commenting, show me what you good at. Tell me the highs of the valley that your boots stood at.
Y'all, look at the view. Okay, Puerto Rico, you looking good. And look at the view from the hotel. Yeah, I am up at 7:56 in the morning because when it's a trip, you wake up early. Period. I'm getting ready for brunch because I feel like Kaylee needs to be up too so we can leave at 9 o'clock because I'm ready to eat and get the day started. Like if we get the day started early, housekeeping. Coming. Good morning.
Morning.
No Berlin. Me and Kayla ran through towels like nothing, so we needed some more towels. I wondered did they give me a bathroom mat. Yeah, they gave me one. Let's see. These are the big ones. Hold on, y'all. I gotta put the towels up. And this is the bathroom mat. Or is it? Wait, I don't think I got a bathroom mat. It's time to brush my teeth, y'all. Y'all, I don't know why, but this hotel is so, I don't know, you can hear everything. Like, I hear the people in the hallway. You hear everything. And I know they're not just loud because they talking in a normal voice. Y'all finally got Kaylee up and we finally got ready. This is my outfit. Let me see if y'all can see me. It is too cute. I had it for like 2 years, still didn't wear it. These are my shades. Look at my earrings. And look at my pretty girl. Show your purse. Alright, so I got my fragrance of the day. I still haven't posted a video when me and my friend did the fragrance exchange, and she got me this, and I can't remember what I got her, y'all. All right, so I have a question for you guys. I do not like this, but which handbag? This is cute because this goes with the earrings and this is also cute. Yeah, because I feel like this. Yes, I'm gonna take both. All right, so we're about to go to Starbucks and then go to brunch. We're on our way to Starbucks. Look at Katie looking so pretty. Oh my God. Yep. I showed you yesterday, it was right here. Y'all, how did my child not know that Starbucks was literally down the hall? What you gonna get, baby? What you gonna get? What you gonna get? The regular. I don't see. Oh, they go cheese Danish. We're gonna get our regular cheese Danish. And we love these real bad. You remember you used to get this all the time but not eat it all? Yes. I remember. Okay, now I'm gonna take pictures. Brunch, why you hiding your face? What you gonna order? Y'all, why is it raining? It look like it dried up now. What you order? It's the menu. Oh, the menu right here. Okay, you stand in the menu. Alright, y'all, me and Kaylee just got out. Look at her pancakes. She got the Valor pancakes, just like the Dubai chocolate. And I got the French toast and the taco. And I got I feel you, girl. I feel you. Y'all, we just got back to the hotellery and I had to change clothes because that dress was really, it wasn't doing it. Like this area, it wasn't doing it. But I came back so I can watch my friend's graduation. She's a flight attendant. Go Kai! Congratulations, boo. I'm gonna try to get you on camera, girl. Like, stop playing with her. She's gonna be on tour. But I came to do something to my hair again. I don't have a scrunchie, but you know we gonna make it work. And I just put on this two-piece from Fashion Mobile. It is so cute. Like, it is too cute. And I look cute. I'm about to get a nice little Henna. We're not gonna tell y'all how it's gonna look, but it's gonna be so cute. Her ideal is flawless.
The Navy uniforms were a little bit different, and most of the flight attendant.
Yeah, maybe I should bring this bag with me. I think this would be smart.
That was about 27 years ago.
From Shein.
And I have the same excitement, determination, and probably trepidation that you're all feeling right now.
But I'm about to go find some earrings so that I can
graduated.
get ready and go. I want a color, like, I want color.
My classmates.
A color.
Chicago.
Go Kai! Oh, look at Kai, y'all! Oh my God! They got some cruise ships, y'all, back there. Y'all, we made it. Kayla looked tired. We made it, you guys. It looks so pretty down here. Y'all really can't tell the goodness because of how it's looking right now. Y'all. We made it to Ocean One. It is so cute down here. It is so pretty out here. Ugh, somebody's cigarette just went in my mouth and I Do not like the smell of cigarettes. Huh? Me either. I do not like the smell of cigarette smoke, period. That was disgusting. But y'all, I got me a little, wait, my thingy fell off. Oh no, it didn't, y'all. It's right here. I got me a little flower on my bag. I wanted to put on my hair, but my earrings, it wasn't gonna look right with my earrings. I think I see a soccer team. It's gotta be a school or a soccer team. It must be a school nearby. It must be a school nearby. And they having recess. Yeah, it is a school nearby, I guess. I don't know. That's what I'm trying to look and see. We need us a hat because it's hot. Alright, y'all. I'll be back once we do something fun and show y'all a couple of things. I might not talk. I might just show y'all around a little and show y'all what we do. So, we'll be back. It's hot, y'all. It's really hot. Y'all, I kind of think I found that place that I was looking for with the top, the flag. So what? See what? Shirt for you? No, for you. These are them, but they don't have the flag. The ones I was looking for had the flag, and these are just the regular ones. But these are actually the skirts that I saw too. These are the skirts that I saw. It was a red one, I mean a white one, and it was the top, but they don't have the actual flag. Maybe this is not the store, maybe it is, but I can't find what I'm looking for in here. And I think she's happy I can't find what I'm looking for. Yep, she is. Well, these are cute. I always like these. Okay, well, I guess we'll travel along the way because we still can't find what we're looking for. You don't want to buy me anything. Every time I see a place that says a truck or something that says Target, I'm always thinking they have a Target here, knowing they don't have a Target. But me and Kayla, we having so much fun together on our trip. Oh, spring break. Kayla and I were gonna get some bracelets alike. I was thinking, let's see. I don't know. I was thinking these, because these are super cute. What you see? We stop. Can I vlog it?
Oh, yeah.
Are you gonna get nervous because I'm by you?
Yeah. This is what I get pretty for.
Okay. Well, you do it better than the picture. Y'all, Kaylee finally found a little Henna spot, and she is happy getting her Henna. I'm about to show y'all her getting it though. She is too happy, y'all. Kaylee. got me a pina colada. Oh, it's wasting. You got a straw? Oh, it's right in my face. Thank you. Thank you. Go this way. I just looked in this mirror and your kiss still on me. Yeah, Kayla kissed me and it's still on me. My daughter kissed me and it's still on my jaw. You don't see it? Oh, it's good. Yeah, Kayla kissed me and look at my cheeks. This girl done really kissed me and got lip gloss all over me. This is a non-alcoholic pina colada and it was actually really good. And y'all know I like that cherry on top. Like, cherries are so good. And pina coladas, like, they're so freaking good. I love these cherries. I don't like the real cherry, but I like the dessert cherries. What's up, y'all? It is beach day. I know I'm coming to y'all so late. I've been doing so bad when it comes to vlogging. Excuse this. I gotta find a way where you don't see deodorant under my shirt, y'all. But it is beach day and I am getting ready so that I can go to the beach. Y'all, last night Kaylee and I went to look for some food. We couldn't find nothing, nowhere, no food nowhere. We ended up just eating what we had for brunch because we could not find food. And it's because Kaylee went to sleep and didn't wake up until late, y'all. We could not find food anywhere. Excuse the baby hairs. I do not know how to do classy, cute baby hairs. And that is so crazy. Like, girl, what? But one thing about these braids, it's gonna cover up my attempt baby hairs. Yeah. But we're about to go to the beach and just have a little beach day. I'm not gonna wait until late for food, not today. But I feel like today was just a chill because I wanted to really chill on this trip. So today's gonna be a chill, relax, going to the beach and chill, relax, going to the beach and reading a book on the beach, eating later, and just chilling in the lobby. Excuse Kayla with her loud TikTok or Instagram, whatever she's watching. I think she on YouTube. I say Instagram. I think she on YouTube. How should I do my hair? I was gonna keep it. I think I'm gonna keep it hanging, but it's still really cute when I put it up like this. Like this be really cute. Up. And have it like this. This is cute, but I like hanging too. Hanging is really cute. So I would just see. I don't like it when it's straight to the back because it don't give a good look. But to the side is cute. Like I could just do it like this to the side. Leave a little baby hairs out. My camera's about to die, but I'm about to change my camera and then I'll come back once we get to the beach. Excuse Kayla, she getting closer with this phone and just like, golly, girl. Yeah, but my camera's about to die. And I need to go ahead and get out so that I can, you know, go and have fun. But I want to show y'all what I'm putting on today. Which I shouldn't even be putting on perfume. But I'm putting on my light scent today. And it's just Vanilla Skin by Flair. I remember telling y'all about this a couple of times. Y'all, I haven't really taken any good pictures that I like. So I'm going back to Old St. Juan tomorrow so I can get the good content, pictures, everything. So today and tomorrow, I'm getting all pictures before it's time to go. Because I don't have good content. So content is going to be eating today. Prayerfully, please, Lord, help me. But I love you guys. I'll see you later. Before my camera died, I just want to show y'all. I'm planning on taking pictures like this. Oh, this is gonna eat. This is gonna eat. This is gonna eat. I'm planning on doing pictures like this. And I might do like flowers. But I have another outfit to do the flowers with. So it may not be this outfit. But I do have another one for the whole flower vibes. So that's gonna eat with the flower vibes. Oh, it's cute with this too. Yeah, that's really cute too. So I think I might do this and I might do the flower too. think that's it. I want to wear some earrings, but I feel like all of these would be just too much. I don't know, but I am about to see. I'll see y'all when we get to the beach. Y'all, look at these with this. I had these for like 3 or 4 years. Oh, this is cute. This eats. Oh my God, these eats. Yeah, we're heading to the beach. Woo-wee. These stairs are so slippery, y'all. I'm trying not to fall. Look at Kaylee. I brought me a book. I brought a lot of things that I know I need so that I can, you know, get stuff together. Ooh, it feels so good outside, y'all. It just got done raining. Ooh, it feels so good. Oh my God. Alright, I made it to the beach. Y'all, the beach was not a long walk at all. It was literally right here. Literally. Let me show y'all the beach. Oh, I forgot to change out my shoes. Y'all look, it is so calm and peaceful right here. Like, it is so calm. Y'all, we just left the beach and Kaylee want to get on a water slide, but I think she's a little scared. Y'all, I really don't like going to the beach because it's too sandy. I don't know, but this is the beach over here, and we just left it just to swap. We just left it to swap out the beach for the pool, and she want me to get in the pool, so I'm gonna have to put my hair in the updo so I can get in the pool and do the water slide with her. I think I'm gonna let y'all see us in the pool a minute, but just do it. Let's do it. Look at her. Alright, you guys, we're about to get in the pool. I just gave my white thingy away to this one girl. She was cute, huh? Okay. Look at my child, y'all. Go get a rubber band so I can play with my baby in the water. Y'all, Kayla about to go down the slide. Oh my God, this is gonna be so cool. Where's my baby? Go Kaylee, go Kaylee. Ah! Did you have fun? Go again. Yes, go again. Go. You want me to go again? Yeah, I want you to go again real bad. Yeah. Try to do it again. You almost did it, Kaylee. Woo! I know, she gonna have to do something. Oh, y'all wanna play volleyball? Oh. Y'all, I got out the pool with Kaylee so we can get something to eat because we are hungry, like real hungry. So now we just literally waiting on our food, and I'm about to get a Coke to drink. I really should have put my hair up or knew a way to put my hair up, but I don't. But we are hungry. Y'all see that? It looked like it's about to rain. And I know when it's gonna rain, and that's what I see. If it does rain, I'm sitting in the inside and reading a book and chilling for the rest of the day. until it stops raining. And we can probably come back out and get back in the pool and stuff. But y'all, I'm not trying to get my hair wet up in the top because I need it. I got another trip, so I need my hair. How do I put this up without it just falling and stuff? Cause dang. Yeah, it is gonna rain because I see people getting up leaving. That's crazy. Like, why? Why is it raining? Since I've been on the trip, I haven't seen anybody vlogging. Of course, I've been seeing people like taking pictures and stuff, but vlogging, I really haven't seen much of that. Just me vlogging. I'm really ready for tomorrow, y'all, because we're gonna be going. We got like 2 different things. My daughter don't like doing extra stuff. She don't like horseback riding. She don't like the basic things that you come here to do. And now we have to just do the minimal. We have to do basics. We're gonna do just the things that she likes because we gotta, you know, whatever she like to do, we're gonna do what she like to do.
She said she lives.
She said she lives. I wonder what her mom is gonna be doing tomorrow. Ooh, it's hot.
She said if I go to the pool and I don't see her, they at the beach.
Okay. So I wonder what they're doing tomorrow. Yeah, this food is so good. Hot.
They leaving Saturday.
Hot.
They leaving Saturday.
We leave Friday.
Huh?
We leave the same day.
What you mean?
We leave Friday. Yeah, this food is so good. I hope I don't get copyright because of the music. These chilis are big and so good. I did not expect this. I didn't expect this. The barbecue sauce tastes like the old Wendy's barbecue sauce. Not the new stuff, but the old one. Back in the room, done with the pool. I just got the shower. I washed my hair because I was in the jacuzzi and stuff. We had fun downstairs. Like, it was some cool people down there. I met somebody from Atlanta. Like, it was a cool little vibe. But like I was telling y'all in the last clip, I am so ready for tomorrow. It's gonna be so fun. And like I said, I'm gonna make sure I show y'all everything. I'm not gonna give y'all just the little that I've been giving y'all lately. And I'll be giving y'all the little because it is spring break. And Kaylee been really wanting to enjoy herself. So me being a mom, I'm gonna make sure she enjoy herself other than just being on the camera. But I'm gonna get y'all together. And I feel like once I get that, once I get the smaller camera, I'm gonna be able to really just give it. This can be the camera for pictures and the smaller one can be like a vlog camera. Yeah, I'm on my way to eat my pizza. Out here, I gotta get it and eat it downstairs somewhere. I want to be in the lobby. I don't want to eat it in the room. And Kaylee's coming to eat with me too. She's like right in front of me to eat. So y'all, let's go to the lobby so we can eat some pizza. And you know, I'm really surprised my makeup didn't mess up. I'm so surprised my makeup didn't mess up. It didn't went through water and everything. Y'all look at this under eyes. Really, I am thinking about getting fillers. Y'all, look at me and Kaylee on our way. Tell them what we doing, girl.
So, my mama ordered us some snacks and water. Well, I drinking water. She drinking Coke. And we going downstairs. It will be here around 1:30. It will be here around 1:30. And we're going downstairs to the lobby.
This view is so cute, isn't it? It's raining, I think. It's not.
Look, y'all.
It is so cute.
Mama, you better be lucky I took Duolingo lessons So I kind of understand English. I mean,
Girl,
Espanol.
I came outside when he was asleep. I came outside when he was asleep, Kaylee. Wait, y'all.
It's blurry. You gotta listen.
I came outside when you was asleep, Kaylee, and guess what? This guy was taking his girlfriend pictures. The waves splashed water all over him while he was taking pictures. Yes, it happened. It happened. Are you having fun on your mommy and me trip?
Sure.
You want to tell them the next trip you're going on, or you want to keep it a secret?
What next trip?
You want to keep it a secret?
Yeah.
I'm gonna let Kaylee find us somewhere to sit. Where you gonna find us somewhere to sit at? Maybe we could sit here and watch the water, the waves. You want to sit where? Yeah, it's so pretty in this place. It's really pretty. And I came with my daughter. Oh my God, she's amazing. We decided to sit here and watch the waves from over there. Kayla, what is something you're looking forward to tomorrow, which is our last 4 day?
Eating Chipotle.
Eating Chipotle, which we don't have Chipotle here.
I did it all. So we're back and we just got our snacks, and this is what we all got.
Yep. She done dropped my phone, and then she laughing. Guys, let's get it.
Okay, so first for my mom. So first, we was looking at water, and my mom came across kiwi, strawberry, vitamin water. So she got vitamin water.
I'm about to take a sip of this now.
She of course got Coca-Cola because that's what she was drinking the whole entire trip. Here's my stuff. Of course I got one. Then I got my favorite Doritos. I got Snickers. I'm gonna give her one because there's 2 in here. And then I got Nutella Be Ready.
Show them the box. And what are we about to do? Have a girls what? What are we about to do right now? You gotta tell them what we're about to do.
We're gonna chill and eat and drink and watch TV.
Where's the TV, baby? I don't see. Oh, you're talking about the water? Oh, your phone. Got you. Look at y'all, the waves is coming, waves coming, waves coming. Anybody ever had you, don't have you like I got you now. I'm responsible for your smile. I don't drink, so I take a Dorito.
Okay. See, now you just freestyle with a compliment.
All right, let them know we got to get up early, so we're going to
We
go.
get up at 9. We're going to do everything we got to do. Then we're going to swim for the rest of the night.
Yeah, tell them if you like your trip or not. Tell them what's up.
I told you.
Oh, you did? All right, so tell them we'll be back in the morning time when we're getting ready.
We'll be back in the morning time when we are getting ready.
Clean up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me.
What's up, y'all? Kayla, where you at? I'm vlogging. You said you want to do the intro. I am back, y'all. We're about to go to the Rainforest Park to do go-karts and stuff. We're hungry. We haven't eaten this morning. We just woke up. Y'all know we went to sleep late, but we still had to get up early to go here. I like this little bag. This bag is just too cute. I just did my edges. I put the water at the end of my hair, and I did my makeup. And we are just ready. I am so ready to peel these off tomorrow. These are coming all the way off tomorrow. These lashes are peeling off tomorrow. Can't wait. But I hope today is a fantastic day, which I know it will be. Oh my God, this tripod do not want to sit up anywhere. All right. I think Kaylee switched up on us. She don't want to talk to you guys. Really haven't been eating much here, but we traveled from Georgia to Florida, and I feel like once we get to land in Orlando, seafood boil. There's no seafood boils here. At least I can't find them. But I'm going to get a seafood boil tomorrow once we land because I want seafood. Oh, I'll hit you guys up once we get to the Rainforest. Let me try to persuade her to go to Starbucks. Come on. Y'all, we made it to the look at it. Oh look, y'all missed it. Yeah, we made it to the little fun place. I'm gonna get some content so y'all can see everything. We're about to go on the hayride, the natural tour hayride with Miss Kaylee. Then we're gonna do the go-karts too, but I want to do the hayride first. I think the hayride is better to do first. What you think?
You get a picture by the hayride?
No.
Hey, kids.
You gotta give me a picture by the hayride and that if you want my hair AirPods.
Go get a picture by the...
What you think? They got a hayride, y'all. Right there. All the way right back there. And here's the go-karts. Look at the horses, y'all. I knew it stunk for some reason. Y'all, look at the chicken. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Clucky, clucky, clucky. Oh, gluggy, gluggy, gluggy chicken. Y'all, look at the turtle. Look at the turtle, you guys. He looks asleep and tired. Go, clucky chicken. Hey, Daphne. Hey, Daphne. What's up, Daphne? What's up?
Stop. Stop. Leave me alone. You're bullying. You're bullying me.
Boy, wanna be? Yeah. Okay. I'm actually letting you drive, and I'm just gonna sit on the passenger side and just. We're on a bumpy ride. Bumpy ride. Bumpy ride. Oh, bumpy ride. Yeah, we on this hayride, and we're going on a berry hunt. We're going to find some juicy ones. We're nice there on a beautiful day. It's so pretty out here, yes. Look at her picture, y'all. She don't want y'all to see it. Y'all, she better get hit. She better I can't show y'all. This ain't no Snapchat on a hayride. Y'all got me a chicken on the stick barbecue. Oh, cool. Yeah. You like it? Y'all, we getting on the berry truck. We getting on the berry. She making me sit in the inside because the tree's still popping the mess out of her, y'all. I'm doing a TikTok. Caramel. Apples, bananas, and we don't really care. Hey. Y'all, she eating all of my stuff. You want some of my food? Huh? You want some of mine? After this, we have to go get some souvenirs from Old St. Juan. Somebody want to go back to the hotel so they can swim the rest of the day, so we're definitely going to do that. Y'all, we're about to get on one. Which one you going to pick, Kaylee? Oh my God, it's about to get real with Kaylee. Oh, let me put my seatbelt on as I'm trying to talk to y'all. It's about to get real crazy, you guys. She's about to go fast.
Wait, gas? You ready?
You ready, Kaylee? Go. Oh my God, Kaylee. You can't bump. Oh my God, Kaylee, slow down. Kaylee, slow down. Oh my God. Wow, Kaylee, do not go and bump. Y'all, driving with Kaylee is dangerous. Oh my God. And then she tried to drive on the phone. This girl is really driving on the phone. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Hey y'all, so right now we are walking.
Y'all, we had to go take us a nap.
I didn't take
But I didn't really go to sleep because people was calling. They want to bring towels. It just was too much. Too much for one person, you feel me? But now we are dressed and about to go down on St. Juan.
Can I put a filter on again?
She want to put the clown filter on, y'all. Here. Talking about KK. But we're about to go down Old St. Juan. Oh, I need to go to the beach before the last day. Look at them cuddled up in that pool. Y'all, they down there cuddled up. Y'all, I thought y'all was gonna be able to see my outfit. I look cute. But this is the beach. Oh, y'all can't even see much because of the fogginess. My camera foggy. I done showed y'all that so many times, and I know y'all tired of seeing it. But we're about to go to Old San Juan, and I'm gonna get good content this time. Looking good, looking fresh. Come on, put your best on. There's not many kids at the pool, Kaylee. Huh? There's not many kids at the pool. It's all grown people. I want to go to the beach tonight, though. Y'all, Kaylee got me using these stairs other than the elevator. So you know what? Don't you want to get yourself seen? What Mama Sheila saying that, Kaylee? Say what? I got 2 minutes steps in.
And the water's so blue, girl.
Sing that part.
It's so pretty.
Y'all, it is leaving time.
Yay, I can sleep.
We sleeping all day tomorrow? Huh? We still going to Cereal Lab? And Cereal Lab? Y'all, it's time to leave. Oh my God, I just can't believe it. My baby had time. But she said we're not going to Cereal Lab tomorrow. Ew. She said we're not going to the Cereal Lab, but we're actually going, right? Right. Yes, we're going. We gotta go on. We're gonna go at 6 o'clock.
In the morning?
At night. So you can actually sleep and you can play the game. And that's gonna be the end of our excitement. And her spring break will be completely over. I bet she's gonna laugh, y'all watch. She about to laugh because my tripod fell. But I will hit you guys up once I get to the airport. Really. Yeah, once I get to the airport, I will come back to you guys. I heard that. Juan, I never noticed the Starbucks thingy mouth look like that. She looks freaking creepy. She looks creepy.
No, she's singing.
Y'all wanna watch this order? Y'all, it's time to go. It's time to leave. Y'all can't see me though. It's time to leave. It's time to go. Kayla's happy to go, but I'm not. It is time to leave. Let's go. She ready for seafood, so let's go, y'all. It's time to catch this flight.